When it comes to dropshipping, the integrations offered by your platform can make or break your business. So, today, we're diving into the ultimate comparison, Dropified versus Shopify, which one truly offers better integrations for dropshipping. Stick around, because I'll give you the rundown, and you might be surprised by the results. Let's start with Shopify. Shopify's integrations are known for being extensive. With thousands of apps available in their app store, it's hard to imagine a dropshipping tool or service they don't connect with. Whether you need inventory management, email marketing tools, or product sourcing apps, Shopify has it all. The most popular ones include Oberlo, Spocket, and Printful, which sync smoothly with your store, handling everything from product importing to order fulfillment. But there's a catch. If you want the best integrations, you'll need to pay for premium apps, which can add up quickly. And while the quality is high, the variety might not always be tailored to every niche. Next, let's talk about Dropified. Dropified is a more specialized tool for dropshipping, and one of its standout features is its unique integrations with suppliers and platforms that Shopify doesn't offer out of the box. Dropified seamlessly connects with AliExpress, eBay, and even Amazon. It also has more advanced features for order automation, which can save you time when dealing with large volumes of orders. That said, its integration range isn't as wide as Shopify's, and setting up some of these integrations can feel a bit clunky, especially when compared to Shopify's streamlined experience. Dropified also lacks the depth of apps that Shopify has, so you'll miss out on some additional tools that might come in handy for scaling your business. The third thing to consider is ease of use. Shopify's integrations are designed to be plug and play. You pick an app, install it, and you're ready to go. This makes it perfect for beginners or those who don't want to waste time on complex setups. Dropified, on the other hand, can be more challenging to navigate, especially for newcomers. The interface is straightforward for experienced dropshippers, but if you're just getting started, you might find it overwhelming at first. Now, let's talk about costs. Shopify starts with a basic plan, but to unlock some of the better integrations, like advanced reporting or certain automation features, you'll have to move to higher tier plans, which can be expensive. Dropified offers a lower cost entry point and is more flexible for smaller businesses. However, the pricing structure is tiered based on features, and it's worth noting that the higher tier plans can rival Shopify's cost. So, you'll need to weigh the costs against what you actually need for your store. The next thing to think about is customization. Shopify's integrations are often plug and play, but they tend to be less customizable. Dropified, on the other hand, offers more control over your product sourcing and order fulfillment, which can be a huge advantage for dropshippers who want to add a personal touch to their process. But this level of control often requires a bit of a learning curve. Finally, I know you're looking for the ultimate solution. Here's where the plot twist comes in. If you want an integration experience that combines ease of use, great support, and a solid selection of features for dropshipping, there's actually a better alternative out there. After testing both Dropified and Shopify myself, I've found a platform that not only offers fantastic integrations, but also makes dropshipping so much easier. If you're looking for something that delivers without the frustration and costs of Shopify and Dropified, take advantage of the free trial in the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Trust me, it's worth checking out. So, if you're serious about dropshipping, take action now, don't miss out.